In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add link in Instagram story. So once you have opened your Instagram app, and then on the bottom click on plus. Now switch to story. Now select a pic. Now on the top click on the sticker icon. Now on the bottom here you will see link option. If you don't find this, just search link and select the link. Now enter the link URL. Now on the bottom click on customize sticker text. Now you can type your link name. Now click on done. Now you can resize the link button. You can make it bigger or smaller. After that, on the bottom right corner click on the next, and then you can now share it. So that's how you can add link in Instagram story. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.